getting dark now, but I'm installing the last wall, the side wall with window, and it is swapped with the uh, door. So I put the window here on this side wall, and the door is on the end wall. When we do the corner, we won't have the guide anymore for the corners, so it's gonna be tough. Again, outside view. Outside view. Gathering all the hardware, the screw, the materials makes it easier before you start. And if there's some remaining screws, then something is wrong. So this is exactly for this wall. Now I ask my wife to hold the other end because last time it misaligned. Go ahead. Thank you. Thank you. I'll put this guide here just to make sure that we are aligned. As I've said, there's a gap there, so not perfect. It's expected. This is wood. Can you please? Thank you. Yes. Not yet. Hold on, Mama. There you go. Not yet. Okay, I'm using this thing here. So as I was saying, the reason why I put this is to make sure I know where to lean towards the left or towards the right, because there's a little bit of probably 1/8 gap or less than that, a little bit. Okay, please hold. Thank you. That's it. Thank you. Yep. Move this for now. Just like that. And we'll do the corner. Now we do this. There. As I've told you, we don't have a guide. This will help. Yeah, we're working overtime because I want this to be done.
There you go.
Thank you. Yep. tomorrow is the framing, more complicated. S4, 3 inches. We'll do the center. Come on. Okay, perfect. Now, let's do this one here. S24. Okay. Okay. I think I need this. Yeah. Yeah, because it is moving it. In fact, yeah, I'm adjusting the clamps because it created a gap near here. If you see it, there you go. In the original version, this is supposed to be the door. I swapped it with the end wall. Now I'm putting here the window instead. So now this one is gonna be here now. Not, I can now put the solid FB here, panel. There. Let me do this just to connect it. This one is 2243, 2234. Sorry, 2234, 2234, and this is 2253. Just want to make sure they're good. It's kind of loose actually, so I'm gonna again use the clamp. Just here, put it in here. Okay, use the clamp here. Good. This will be my last for the night, for the day, to put this in. That's it for now. We'll do the other side. Need to think about it on how to make it, to make sure it sits perfectly on the corner. I don't want to take my chances on a misaligned, so I'm using, since I don't have a corner post, I tried to arrange it so that this can serve as a guide. So I can put this. It serves me some guides, so that should be good. There, there. Just want to make sure that I am aligned. Let me, the spacer. And manual says I have to have 1 inch protrusion. It's actually just 3/4. So I'm gonna move this a little bit to make it at least 7/8. Yeah. Now we can move a little bit more. 7/8 should be fine. There. There. One more. It's actually just 3/4. Ah, that's fine. That will do it. Now you do the same thing. But I'm just probably gonna use the measurement. I'm just gonna use the height measurement because it's hard to put in another. And that one, I just tried and it's hard. See, it's 1 inch, shy of 1 inch. Okay, almost 3/4, just like the rest. Let's just move a little bit. Okay. There you go. Oh, I, too much. Too much. Yeah, I have to protrude some. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, brave enough to do it without the guide. Okay, should be good. The last wall is done. Now we're gonna connect all the frame. Good for us. Yay!